This is going to be an unboxing video for the Black & Decker Power Series Flex Corded 3-in-1 Stick Vacuum. Light and versatile. Easy to convert to hand vac mode. Has a 21-foot long cord, 600 watt non-stop continuous power, so it's plug it in. HEPA filtration, swivel steering, not swiveling, swivel steering, so it swivels. There are some versions like that do swivel and stuff. Multi-surface easy cleaning, that's the model. The model for it, it's the BDSV 52-BLK, 1 year limited warranty. Has that hole right there, and it cleans carpets. Here's the other side. So it has the 600 watt corded vacuum, metal tube, crevice tool, floor brush, HEPA filter. There's no rotating brush like there's one of Bissell versions of this one actually has the brush that spins, but this one does not have it. So it has easy empty 600 milliliter canister, easy to empty canister release power switch, cord wrap, and self-standing. So these have like a self-standing, and this whole goes like that. So now it's time for the unboxing. See what comes in this box. I'm using this old box cutter from HDX. Have any questions? We love to help. That's from Black & Decker. Here's the top real quick. And here's the inside. So it's packaged really well. So the handle is on this side, and the floor brush or floor tool on the other side. Here's the handle right here. So this is easy, comes right off. It's hard to get this out. I mean, this is packaged real well, this machine. And this is swivel, so this does swivel. Like so. Here's the handle. Love the design of the handle. I mean, this looks pretty much, looks more upright vacuum. Now here's the floor nozzle. There's no brush underneath. This is a straight suction machine, so it's not going to agitate the floors or anything. It is pulled by these two rubber bands. There's the really nice floor, and it is self-standing, so I like how this one is self-standing. There are other ones out there that don't have that feature, so when you put it up, it's going to fall down. Here's the cord on the machine. Here's the machine itself. And I'm going to tip this over so you can see machine, and that's the crevice tool. Here's the instruction manual. You're not going to really need it. So if you watch this video, it's easy to assemble. This machine is pretty much easy to assemble. Here's the motor. Here's the crevice tool. Right here. Now, this slides on like this. I mean, like that. Slides on like that. Next is the handle. This handle, there's a release button somewhere like that. You just release it right here, and see self-standing compared to other ones that don't have that feature, and this just clips in. I mean, it's be hard with only one hand. So it clips, it's right in here. I mean, this machine is slightly small. I mean, it's like this little 3-in-1 stick vacuum. It's not like an upright machine that will picks up better. Now, time for the cord. This has a 21-foot cord, so it's pretty long. I mean, how well this machine will pick up on carpets. It is a straight suction machine, so there's no motor on here that actually helps it with the brush, so at least I mean, for its design, this is pretty good. At least it's like a newer machine, newer model machine. How they mainly done with the cord. Whole cord will just wrap up. I mean, this is a longer video, but mainly it'll be mainly slightly short, but because for this machine, because this machine at least, first thing, it is very lightweight. I mean, that's another thing about these machines. And don't expect this to be your permanent vacuum to clean carpets or floors. Very lightweight. These machines are extremely, these are mainly 3-in-1 stick vacuums. They're not like those right there. Those are the ones with the brush roll and stuff. They clean a lot better. Would I recommend machines like these? If you're doing, let's say, a whole entire house and like cleaning up, it's great for like small little areas or small houses. I mean, you do get a 21-foot cord. I mean, that's decent. And the last thing about it is to actually test it, but I will be testing it out on video on my next video, so at least this will be at least like a full unboxing, and that's pretty much it. So this needs a clip on the side. So, at least I'll definitely right there. I mean, this cord, here's the machine itself. I mean, this thing looks good like that, and it has that nice swiveling to go back and forth. I mean, yep. And here's the easy empty dirt container. So this does come off. There's like actually a button. That's the motor inside. There's actually a little filter to access that. You take the machine apart, so you do get this nice little filter here is like a nice little, looks like washable HEPA filter. And it looks like on this model, there's at least like a flap, but it comes out. So at least design's really good too. I mean, pretty much durable. You got this nice little, and this filter is way better than the previous models they had. They had that filter, like the filter style bag. They're okay, but this one looks like this filter looks like the best. Clips on and that's it. I mean, see how well this machine cleans? At least I'll vacuum some rooms, hit it with it, and that's it. I mean, so lightweight and so tiny. For a quick comparison, I'll bring my old trusty Bissell out. This thing's at least very old. It's not old, but it's old enough. It really cleans well. I mean, yes, they're really good machines. So I'll put that over there. And I actually like this model better compared to the previous models Black & Decker have. I mean, that's it. So that's the unboxing for it.